For over 35 years, American Autowire has earned the reputation for building the best factory original reproduction, universal and modified restoration wiring systems on the market. Our American-made products make wiring easy, and our quality is second to none. We have over 6,000 vintage vehicle part numbers that are divided into our two catalogs. Our factory fit catalog contains our factory original, or OEM reproduction GM wiring harnesses, while our street rod division catalog contains our universal vehicle wiring systems and our vehicle-specific resto-mod, or modified original wiring systems, which we call classic update kits. This video is the first of a series of videos focusing on these classic update kits, explaining their purpose, functionality, and why they are the most unique and complete vehicle-specific resto-mod wiring systems available. So what is a classic update kit, and what kind of vehicles can benefit from this type of wiring upgrade? In the simplest terms, a classic update kit is a complete, reimagined, and optimized wiring system for a specific model of vintage vehicle. It retains desirable features from the original electrical system while expanding the electrical capabilities of that system. These kits are not designed to be factory replacement harnesses, but instead are modern wiring harnesses designed to accommodate all of the typical electrical accessories found on a modern resto-mod vehicle. The intent with each kit is to allow you to easily modify your classic with modern electrical equipment, but also provide the convenience and finishing details of a stock-style harness. Key features include a complete set of redesigned, vehicle-specific chassis wiring harnesses. These include the wiring for the headlights, charging system, engine bay, instrument cluster, passenger compartment, courtesy lighting, and rear body wiring and lighting. Our kits are designed inside of real test vehicles by the American Autowire R&D team, so all of the guesswork and frustration has been eliminated before we sell our first kit. Classic update kits are designed to be flexible where the installer is likely to need customizable wiring, and are pre-wired where it is unlikely that the installer will want to change things. This eliminates a lot of the busy work encountered when installing universal wiring harnesses and adds a lot of flexibility when compared to modifying restrictive factory wiring harnesses. Where custom routing is likely, we have made the wires extra long so the wires can be tucked and hidden for a show-clean installation. For example, every wire that is under the hood is extra long for easy custom routing. We also use high-temperature GXL exclusively throughout the kit. This flexible, high-quality, thin-walled wire is designed to withstand high automotive temperatures, including engine bay temperature ranges of -40 degrees to 125 degrees Celsius. Our GXL wire is made with a stranded copper conductor wrapped with cross-linked polyethylene XLPE insulation. XLPE is a lightweight, flexible, durable material that resists abrasion, high temperatures, and most solvents. Where necessary, we use heavier gauge wires to accommodate the high amperage requirements of upgraded electrical components. Finally, all of our wire is labeled with clear text printed right on the wire every 5 inches. Each kit also comes with an extensive set of installation sheets, guiding the installer through each step of the installation. While the kits and instructions are designed to be adaptable enough for professional builders, they are designed for ease of use for first-timers with no previous automotive electrical experience. Classic update kits also feature expanded, modern ATO fuse panels. All of our classic update kits include vehicle-appropriate fuse panels with 16 or more ATO-style push-in fuses, often more than doubling the available fuses when compared to the original wiring. These fuses are added for aftermarket electrical additions like electric chokes, power seats, power windows, electric fuel pumps, connections to standalone electronic fuel injection harnesses, electric fans, modern stereos, etc. Each fuse panel includes a custom accessory connector, which acts as a convenient power port, making for easy installation of these added electrical components. The included dash harnesses are engineered for clear installation, with flexibility for most stock or aftermarket gauges, including the most popular digital gauge systems. Classic update kits also include support for high amperage alternators up to 165 amps, and built-in mega fuse protection for both the alternator charge circuit and the main fuse panel power feed is also included. Also provided are modern ignition power feeds and ignition switches where applicable, so that power is maintained at the ignition wiring when the key is in the run and crank position. This type of keyed power is required by most modern ignition and electronic fuel injection systems. American Autowire also provides vehicle-specific electrical components, as available or appropriate, including items such as lamp sockets, connectors, sub-harnesses, ignition switches, headlight, and dimmer switches. We try to provide the best available components for each classic update kit, offering updated components while balancing typical installer needs, making our wiring kits the most complete on the market. None of our competitors' wiring kits even come close to supplying the electrical components that come standard with our kits. On the rare occasion that some replacement, vehicle-specific switches and connectors aren't available any longer, our instructions will include directions on how to reuse original or NOS parts. Classic update kits also include power feed wiring for common options, with add-on harnesses for rarer options. For example, all of our classic update kits include power feed wires for aftermarket radios, electric fan relay kits, and a keyed power wire power for aftermarket heaters and air conditioning systems. In select situations where a particular kit services a vehicle with a wide range of options, the kit will include power feed wiring for the most common options. Add-on harnesses may be required for rarer options like factory AC, electronic headlight doors, factory power tops, power windows, and power seats. This ensures fair pricing for owners of both well-optioned and base-level vehicles. We currently offer over 60 vehicle-specific classic update kits for vintage AMC, Chevrolet, GMC, Ford, Mercury, International, Jeep, Mopar, Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Volkswagen cars and trucks. And we are adding applications all the time. If you have any questions about whether or not a classic update kit is right for your resto-mod vehicle, please stay tuned for our upcoming classic update series video releases and re-releases. Please call our award-winning sales team at 1-800-482-9473 to discuss your project with us today. We look forward to hearing from you.